Greetings. Welcome to our lecture series on mechanics of solid. In today's prerequisite section, we'll be discussing about resultant force. The overall or combined effect of system of forces on a body is called as a resultant force. It is a single force. If it is zero, then the body is said to be in equilibrium. Equilibriant. Equilibriant is the force that is equal in magnitude and opposite in the direction to the resultant force. The equilibrium brings the body to the condition that existed when the forces were not acting. Next term we are going to learn is free body diagram. A diagram that shows the forces on the body free of other bodies is called as a free body diagram. Let's understand this concept with an example. Let us say a sphere is going to be rested on horizontal and vertical surface A and surface B. The spherical surface is subjected to external force F. Due to this external force, there will be certain mechanism here. The upthrust will be given by the surface A and B, and the weight of the sphere is going to act in a vertical downward direction. We can represent these forces along the coordinate system as shown here. Replace entire body with a rigid point. On this rigid points, we are going to show the action of the forces here, like the reactive force RA. Reactive force from surface A is going towards right hand side is represented. Similarly, the reactive force which is being developed at the surface B is going to show going upward. Similarly, the weight of the your sphere is going to be going vertically downward, and the applied force was towards the left hand side. So what we have done here, we have replaced the body here with a rigid point. And when we have such a representation where there is a no significance or cognizance of the body under reference, then we are going to say that diagram as a free body diagram. Hope you understood. I will come with such short videos in future also. Till then, goodbye.